Let's take a look at creating just a layout of cabinets using residential style European cabinets. We'll click on the wall command, bring up the wall dialog. I'm just going to type in a length of say 146 and tell it to draw that. Let's say I want to connect a wall to this wall, and I'm going to make that just a 36-inch end wall, or just some of the cabinets to end into, and I'm going to draw this. So we have our two walls. We'll go to the library. I'll go to base cabinets first, and we'll just take we can take a single door or various design cabinets. It can be drawer banks or whatever, but let's take a two-drawer, two-door cabinet, a real typical cabinet you see in residential construction. We'll insert this. I don't have to put in one cabinet at a time. I have that option, but here I just want to put cabinets across that wall. So all I'm going to do is go select distance on screen. I'm going to add 4 cabinets, and let's just say I want to put a 2-inch filler right there. Okay, and all I have to do is just go. Let's also say I want to have 4 inches from the left hand side, so I have room to run crown mold around the cabinets. I'm going to insert this. I'm going to click here to here, just selecting where I want it to be placed on the wall. There's my 4 cabinets divided out equally with my 2-inch filler. We'll go back to the library. I'll switch to a wall cabinets, and I'll just take it's the parametrics. So I'm just going to take just this design I want, not necessarily the size I want. And I'm just going to say select distance on screen, and I want 4 of those cabinets, not 5 but 4. Here's my filler, and I'm going to go insert, just select where I want to start and where I want it to end. So now we have 4 uppers and 4 base cabinets. There's the elevations. Let's add the top. Pull up the top option here. I'm just going to tell it to draw the top. All I have to do is just choose where I want the top to go and tell it OK, and the top will be drawn. We'll go ahead and add the splash. And I'm going to tell it to draw. I'm going to select there and there, and I'm just rolling my mouse wheel in and out to zoom in. So now we have our uppers, lowers, and countertop. We'll add crown mold to this. That's a bit small for this cabinets, so I'm going to go to moldings, go to crowns. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like that one. I'm just going to go insert. Here's the height, and all I have to do is just trace where I want the molding to go. We'll select draw. I'm going to come in, so I want to start there, go to there, and come to here, and click OK on that. So I can close out of that. So already we have our crown moldings, our cabinets, our 3D is done. Get it any view you want. You can actually see all the cabinet details, the shelves. This is the wireframe 3D. The shelves, all the drawer components, hardware, all that stuff is there. If I wanted to render this while I'm here, I could click on the render option. Let's just tell this I'd like it to be walnut. And you can see it update the colors. I'll pull this over so you can see this a little bit better. Here we can apply different coatings. It can be like a satin, low gloss, high gloss. I'll just accept these. The walls, I've told the walls look like they have brick on them, so when we render this in just a second, The walls are going to appear to have brick on them. And we'll add some lighting to this. And select render. And there's our brick on the wall. There's our light source. There's our materials, shadows, and all that. So all that's built in. But then also, if you click this option, here's your start for your submittals. I can take the fill color out so we can look at these in line drawing or in a fill mode. And I can also turn off, if I want to turn off the door swings, that's what I just did, or I can even turn off the doors or the hardware. You can turn off the drawers. You can get it to give you any view that you want to do. I'll go back and kind of turn these things back on for you. Let's take a cross section of this. And I'm just going to choose where I want the cross section. I can look left or right. Here's our cross section of the cabinets, and close this out for you. All this is done on the fly for you, and then we can go ahead and continue on and dimension this thing out and do anything else that we want to do to it. But I just wanted to cover some of the main easy to use features of AutoCabinets. One last thing before I go, look at cabinets, and we'll go a cabinet layout. We automatically create on the fly your cabinet details, your assembly sheets with all your cut listing. There are a lot of just really built-in cool features in AutoCabinets. I appreciate your time and look forward to talking to you. Thank you very much.